Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 13th of December, 2020. We're going to talk about Palantir and show you the crucial test that the market buyers had to do. They had to pass in order for the market to go higher. It's real simple. We talked about this on our last video in Palantir, but just want to reiterate how important it is for us to see certain things happen in order for the price to go in your direction. Let's go to break it down, because I got a price prediction in Palantir on right now. You guys can see that I expected the market to go higher in Palantir. Initially, it did. This prediction has been on since the 13th, maybe the 14th of November, and we identified this area up here around $21 to $22 of selling. This is where the test was occurring for the buyers. They needed to take the sellers out of the zone, and as we can see in the recent price action, that those buyers, they haven't been able to do it. So what does it mean? Well, it means that we need to anticipate that price in Palantir is going to continue to be weak, and the potential for price to go down is increasing, even against my current idea of looking for price to go up in Palantir. I recognize that if the buyers aren't here, there's nothing that we can do. We need to simply sit back and wait until they do appear, and then ride along the train as the market continues to go higher. So let me go to this price prediction right here, 13.15% right there. And we already know that this area up here around 21, 22 is still valid. It's still there. So even if we do see Palantir run back up to $20, $21, we still need to be aware that we expect the selling to increase there. Okay. Take a look at Palantir on the 2-day time frame. We got the weakness there, continued weakness here, and we're not really seeing any strength into the market in Palantir now. This is the initial stage to where we can tell that buyers are currently hitting price. Like, they're holding the market there right now. How long will it take? Will they break it? It's yet to be determined. But considering the last 2-day bar right here, I'm not too confident that those buyers are there. Here it is on a 3-day time frame. Definitely we need to consider that 3-day price bar. We got 2 weakness indicators triggering on 1 bar. An up fake and a push to go down. Now, like I said, the buyers did hold price initially, because on the next 3 days, the market didn't go down. It held price. It supported price. So people think that this area is relatively cheap. It's at discount or at value, because they wouldn't be buying here if they didn't think Palantir is going to go up. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Again, double weakness on 1 price bar. So it looks to me like we may see the market in Palantir continue to drift down. I'm not saying a plunge. I'm not saying that's going to plummet, but it does look like the market's going to continue to move to the downside in price. Okay. Here it is on the 5-weekly chart. We have 2 more days and 9 hours. If it looks the way that it looks now, and if price closes at the bottom of that price bar, we need to consider that the market move is still weak, and that price is going to continue to drift down. Monthly time frame. Okay, so I'm not too concerned with looking for a crash to occur in the market in Palantir, but as of this particular moment, you know, I have to look forward to the market continue to drift down. Okay, so I'm actually done. I'm going to play the market move lower in Palantir. So my first target would be right there around 16, 8.47% move lower there. My second target for Palantir would be around $14.85, 15% move. And third target would be at this major area of support around $14, $13.80, which is around 20% move there. All right, so I'm going to keep it here because I want you all to see it too. That if the market buyers continue to hold this area here, that the price could potentially go up. Okay. So I'm just going to put that there to let you know that I did see that. As if the market doesn't want to go down, that would be the reason. It's because buyers are there. All right, so that's it. I am done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.